Okay, so here are some top tips for if you're doing your own extension or even a new build. Okay, number one, find a good architect, somebody that gets you. Before you find the architect, you've already found loads of images on Pinterest, I'm sure, that you know you love, but you need someone who's going to push all that together into an actual build design that's going to work for your house. Find a good contractor. Your architect might know one, your friend might know one, but get 2 or 3 prices and make sure that the contractor you use is not just price, but can you work with that person? Can you have that person in your house for 6 months at a time? Because they're going to be living with you, in our case, 6 months. Not actually living. Don't compromise on the big things you choose. The floor, the windows, the doors. Don't compromise on those because they're going to be there forever. You can compromise on soft furnishings, but whatever you do, don't compromise the quality of what you choose as the fabric of your building. Come up with a timeline. All builders are going to need some sort of rough idea of how long you expect it's going to take. They need to book their next jobs. And then add a bit on, and then add a bit of cost on, because it's always going to take a bit longer than you think, and it's always going to take your contingency fund as well. Budget. We've all got to have budgets, right? But sometimes something's going to come along that you absolutely love, and then you're going to have to jiggle your budget around, because if you want to afford the amazing thing, the other thing's going to have to wait. Does that make even sense? And also, patience and communication. Your builder, your contractors, your electricians, they aren't mind readers. You have to actually tell them what's in your mind, and also listen to what they've got to say, because they've done it more times than you. They're going to have maybe a brilliant idea that springs from your idea. So communication is really important, and patience, because you've got to wait for the good people. Good people are busy. Above all, don't forget your 5th wall, the ceiling. We all consider our 4 walls, don't we? But actually, what we all need to be thinking about is what we're going to do up there, because it affects everything down here.